Another Saphyr installation at the GAD. Basically, they are dedicated to understanding genetic diseases, and they aim and they want to transfer technological innovations to the diagnosis, keyword, of rare diseases with developmental abnormalities. We're looking forward to their new discovery, starting with the multi-something care project recently granted by the 2021 yada yada blah blah. This is actually really important because if you guys realize that, if you guys been keeping up with Saphyr, you know that it's not really used, according to the CEO, the 5 studies that we have this year as catalysts, they are all meant for only research only, and research and development. That's all. We've already been used for diagnosis. You already can, if your lab or institution or customer is approved for laboratory developed tests, they can use the Saphyr to actually diagnose people and treat them and help determine the cure or mitigation in disease, whatever it is, without FDA approval. You don't need FDA approval to diagnose with the Saphyr if you are approved for laboratory developed tests, which is why one of the reasons why FDA approval is not necessarily needed. But it's great to see that this institution is proving to everyone that they are going to be looking for to transfer the technological innovations, right, to the diagnosis, which is where the real market is, right? I mean, if we can tap into diagnostics, the whole healthcare market is ours for the taking, essentially, in my mind. And others may say, hey, come on, that's a little bit too bullish. I think optical genome mapping, I think it does have we are talking about global Saphyr adoption, which, every baby getting a prenatal test, everyone getting their genes tested to see what they're going to be susceptible to, what are they likely to develop when they're older. I mean, these are the kind of things that could possibly come through further technological innovations, but not guaranteed. What is guaranteed is penetration of several markets, including the diagnostic realm for the Saphyr, in my mind. Current positions and portfolio showcase. There you go. There's the current positions. Take a pause right now if you want to see those. Relevant information in regards to the total, and those are the price targets. I guess those are the likely case needed for BNGO June 13th price target. We can talk about those more in a new video. And ask me about those in the streams every day, and I'll talk more about those. But relevant information is done now. At what price should I shade the beer? $10. Okay, I still not have to update this. All right, I need to update that. Anyways, it's not finished price. Thank y'all so much. I'll see y'all in the next one.